I thought I was stuck with it. Like I thought, that's it, that's life. I've had 3 kids, I'm 50. This is as good as it gets. Which is not true, which is very exciting. So I was working out 3 times a week, hard, like working out with heavy weights, with a trainer. But the one thing I was missing was the nutritional aspect of it. And he knew it. Like he just didn't, he would tell me, eat chicken breast and salad. I'm like, okay. So I would eat chicken breast and salad. And then I would also eat fries. And also, like I'm the type of person who needs to be told what to eat when. So I did meet with a nutritionist probably a month before COVID hit. But it just felt kind of piecemeal. Like I was meeting with a nutritionist and working out with my trainer, and it was okay, but I knew they both had different goals. The element that we're missing is what we always talk about at Fit Queen, is that they cannot be independent of each other. Food and exercise cannot. And I don't care, you'll hear the coaches in the gym say it's 80% food, but then they walk away. I'm like, oh, okay, but I need help with that part, right? Like, I think because I had resigned myself to pushing 50, I've had 3 kids, it is what it is, this is never gonna change, right? So now when I put on a bikini, and I think I sent you that picture once or posted it, like, I couldn't get over the picture. When you see yourself in the mirror and then it actually translates into a picture, that's the aha moment of, now I'm really changing. I think the fact that I've been able to stick to something in terms of diet, like where, I hate calling it a diet, but in terms of losing and seeing it happen and not saying to myself, okay, I got this. What do I need this? Why do I need to continue? Feeling like it was really helping and saying to myself, no, you need to continue, because it's been too successful to say, okay, I got this on my own. I've done a whole bunch of things. And for me, the best thing about Fit Queen is the community and the combination of the workouts and the nutrition aspect of it. In my opinion, there's really no way for it to fail. Like, I just can't understand how it could fail. For me, it was like spoon-fed to us. And really, that's what I needed as a person. Just tell me what to do. And that's, if you're a person who needs to be told what to do, take it and run, because it's gonna work. You have to be ready to take that step and to be positive about it. It can't be a punishment for you. It has to be, I want to do it and I want to commit to it and I'm prepared. So if you're ready and you're committed, it will work.